morning everyone. I am Alkesh Hussain from class 9 and I am a student of Aryavat Central School. First of all, let me thank you to my Taki sir because who gave me a great opportunity to present myself, and I made a presentation on the human heart. The human heart is a type of pump like water pump which acts as like water pump, like because water pump is also take water from ground level and take it to the tank, and the human heart is also acts like this because human heart take oxygenated blood from lungs and give it to all over the body, pumps it to all over the body, and again the second part of heart take deoxygenated blood from the all over the body and take it to the lungs to collect again oxygen and release carbon dioxide. The main function of blood is to pump blood. The main function of human heart is to pump blood to all over the body parts like cells and tissues. Aorta circulation. The left side of circulation, the left side of human heart is named as aorta circulation, like left atrium and left ventricle. The work of this circulation is to collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs and take it to the whole body, and the second function of human heart is and the second circulation is pulmonary circulation, the right side of human heart, that is like the right atrium and the right ventricle. It collects deoxygenated blood from all over the body and it returns the deoxygenated blood to lungs to collect oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Waste removal of heart. It collects the metabolic waste of human heart or human body like the carbon dioxide and delivers it to the lungs to clear the carbon dioxide from our body. Oxygen and nutrient delivery. It circulates oxygen rich and nutrient rich blood like the glucose and electrolytes to all over the cell and tissues. Maintain blood pressure. Heart also maintain the blood pressure of our body because heart pumps the blood to all over the body parts, and the heart is a machine like who also separate and maintain the blood pressure of human body. Heart valves and blood vessels. Heart valves are a specialized structure that together form the body's delivering network, ensuring the blood reaches and etc. Heart vessels. Heart vessels are flap-like structure, leaf and cups, that acts like one-way doors. They open to let out the oxygenated blood, and then it close because to does not return in our heart. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are the roadways that transport the blood throughout the heart to all over the body parts. Arteries. The blood vessels are mainly three types of arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries. These thick-walled vessels carry oxygen-rich blood to supply all over the body. Veins are thinner than the arteries, and that also supply the blood to all over the body and take it from the heart vessels. Chambers of heart. You also see that there are 4 chambers in a human heart. In a human heart, 2 upper chambers and 2 lower chambers. Upper chambers are named like ventricles, and lower chambers are named atrium. You also see that the heart is divided in 2 parts. This is left side and this is right side, and they are also right side and left side are also divided to 2 parts. Like upper is atrium and lower is ventricle. Upper matlab it means left atrium, and it is right atrium. Right atrium is used to collect the deoxygenated blood from the body and take it in the heart, and then it delivers the blood to the lungs to collect oxygenated blood and release carbon dioxide. And left atrium and ventricles are used as like to supply the oxygenated blood to all over the body, etc. You see, this is the blood circulation in human heart. भूलने मतलब स्टार्ट कहाँ से करें? ये पूरा सर्कल टाइप का है ना। एओर्टा
कहीं से स्टार्ट करो ना तुम। उल्टे स्टार्ट कर दो बिना कवा से ब्लड के अंदर सीधे करो, लेकिन नहीं ये करो चाहो।
By aorta, body part aorta collects blood from the all body parts and take it in the heart, deoxygenated blood, and it comes by the help of vena cava, and it is relaxed to right atrium, then right ventricle, and then right ventricle relax it to right ventricle contacts lungs, then it goes to lungs. Oxygenated bloods are carried from the lungs, then it will return to left atrium, and then it goes to left ventricle for to pump the blood to all over the body. Then left ventricle takes it to all over the body parts, and it is a circulation of cardiac cycle. Thanks. Have a nice day.